Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the tray roller in the Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 20 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new tray roller. The two tray rollers are mounted at the bottom of the sliding tray in the freezer compartment. It allows the tray to easily slide in and out. The main reason why the tray roller would need to be replaced is if it breaks off, making it very difficult to pull the tray out. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. Let's open the freezer door. Now we need to lift up on the drawer. So we'll release the roller, put it on the top here, and we can pull it out. Then we're going to lift up the drawer and we can remove it. Let's put the drawer on the table and turn it over so we can work on this roller. Now we're going to need to push a little tab inside this hole. I'm using a Torx 20 screwdriver. You can use anything you want to as long as it's going to fit in that hole. Press it in hard, squeeze these tabs and pull it out. So now we can spread this bracket and remove the roller. This is the old tray roller next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to place a new roller into the bracket, spread it and push it down so it will lock in. Then we are going to install it, squeeze it and push it down. And now we can turn it around and install it back into the freezer. Alright, so we can install the drawer in. That's a little tricky, but if you do it the way it's supposed to be done, there will be no problem. So first we're going to slowly place these two sides on the top under the triangular tabs into the rail. And then we're going to let the drawer down and push it in so it will locks down at the bottom. The rollers will go underneath of the rail here. And now we can close the freezer door. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.